Promotional products are a great way to keep your brand top of mind, but only if they look their best. Follow these simple care tips to ensure your branded items stay fresh and professional. First is stain removal for reusable items. For reusable bags or drinkware, stains can happen. Use a mixture of mild detergent and warm water to gently scrub away stains. For tougher spots, a bit of baking soda can be a great helper. Always let items air dry to prevent odors. Second is sun protection for outdoor gear. Outdoor promotional products like umbrellas and beach chairs can fade quickly in the sun. To maintain their vibrant colors, store them in shaded areas when not in use. You can also apply a fabric protectant spray with UV protection to help your brand stand out longer. Lastly, fabric care to prevent shrinking. For branded apparel such as t-shirts, hoodies, or caps, wash them in cold water to avoid shrinking. Avoid high heat when drying. Instead, air dry or use a low heat setting to keep them looking their best. For general maintenance tips, wipe down all promotional items regularly with a damp cloth to keep them free of dust and dirt. Avoid using harsh chemicals that can damage branding, ensuring your products remain as good as new. For more promotional product care tips and to find the best branded items for your business, visit Cubic Promote today and keep your brand shining bright.